If you're inside of Kittl, you may run into a sizing problem with your template. So I'm going to walk through what the problem looks like. So here I am on Kittl. I'm going to go over here to the left-hand side and click on templates. And let's say I'm trying to make a Merch by Amazon design, which is 4,500 by 5,400 pixels. So I'm going to go down here to a template. So for example, I'm going to pick this Under the Sun right here. I'm going to click Use Template. Okay, I'm happy with the way this looks. I've changed the text and I'd like to export this now as a t-shirt design suitable for Merch by Amazon. The problem is when I click the export button right here on the top right, I'm going to see that my width and my height are not 4,500 by 5,400. Now I can change the DPI, which is the dots per inch, to 300, but that's not really going to change my template size. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can overcome this. So I'm going to click on the name of the template right here at the top, and I'm going to see artboard size pops up on the right-hand side. From here, I can change my width and my height. Now there's a little paperclip button right here, and you don't want to lock the proportions because I'll show you what will happen here. If I lock the proportions, and let's say I make the width 4,500, it will automatically make the height a corresponding ratio, and it won't be 4,500 by 5,400. This height has now been locked in. So I don't want to do that. By the way, if you zoom in something like this, you can simply click the artboard at the top and click Shift 1, and that will reset the size. It'll zoom it out so that the whole thing is now in your window. So what you want to do is actually unlock this lock proportions. And now I'm going to change the height to 5,400. And you'll notice there, it just cropped it a tiny bit at the bottom. And now I have my artboard size, the exact size that I want, 4,500 by 5,400. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. There's a ton of templates on Kittl, and there's so much more. Mockups, text, illustrations, the list goes on and on. I'll put a link to Kittl in the video description below, just a heads up. It is an affiliate link, and that just means if you purchase the Kittl subscription, I would receive a small commission. I use Kittl a lot for print-on-demand designs. It's awesome. Here's another video where you can have some fun using Kittl.